Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a website with GoDaddy step by step clearly. To build a website with GoDaddy, start by visiting their homepage. Create an account by clicking on the sign in button and selecting Create an account. Fill in your details, including your email address, username, and password. After logging in, navigate to the website section from the main dashboard. Click on Create a website to begin the website building process. Select the type of website you want to create, such as a personal, business, or online store site. GoDaddy will present you with various templates. Choose one that suits your vision. Once you've selected a template, click on Edit Site to customize it. In the website builder, you can add text, images, and other elements by dragging and dropping them onto your pages. To edit text, simply click on the text box and type your content. To add new sections, click the plus icon and choose from options like galleries, contact forms, or social media links. Make sure to preview your changes regularly by clicking the Preview button. Once you're satisfied with your website's design, navigate to the Settings menu. Here, you can set up essential features like site title, SEO settings, and domain information. If you haven't purchased a domain yet, you can do so directly from the site settings. GoDaddy provides options for connecting your domain once you've purchased it. When everything is in place, click on the Publish button to go live with your website. Congratulations, your website is now online and ready for visitors. Review and update your website content regularly to keep it fresh and engaging. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.